Excuse me? You have 51% in the business, not my personal life.
Correction. 60. You have to secure my investment,
Speaking of investment, where's my 40% of the investment from the things you sold?
Nice, that's a small investment. So right now, we have bigger fish to fry. The money gone somewhere where I get greater returns. So don't worry yourself. Everything alright, just relax.
Bizzle, what are the plans that you have for this place? Being that you're the new owner and I am just a worker.
Well, you ask a good question. Let me explain it to you. So basically, we liquidate. The funds are going to bigger and better investments. The business still operate. But in the meantime, the property still accumulating a value. So we still do the regular routine, but we're not tie up so much money at the same time. So if nothing work out, we can sell back the property.
Sell the property. Sell the property. I see.
You might not believe it, but me have you and the business are the best interests at heart.
So all this time you came into my life, it was just to get everything I have. It was just a business. Did you have any feelings at all for me?
Nice, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I did plant some feelings for you and it did grow, When you say ever since you start deal with this, you get caught up in this Trevor, brother. It come like it stop grow, like me not water it no more. But I check for you still, and nah, go make no more woman hurt me again, I have to protect my feelings. I don't want to hurt nobody,
Hurt? So someone actually hurt you?
What do you mean? Emotionally, spiritually, physically, financially, every alley. I mean, nah allow that to happen again. I get hurt the wickedest way. I did in love with this girl. I should run off with somebody else. I mean, nah make that happen again.
Wow. You sound like a traumatized boy. Ever think about getting therapy?
And that we don't know. We don't take nothing serious. That's why I'm not too vent to woman, When I don't take it and tell we and try control we.
Oh. So that's why you always put yourself in a controlling position. You want to feel big. Are you compensated for anything?
And that is why this time me run things. Things not run me.
We need to talk.
Don't worry. I know. Boss. Hello.
I heard from the hospital. Trevor's blood is not a match.
Him know yet?
I suspect so. He's been calling me all morning and I haven't been answering him.
So finally, prove say my youth. And all this time, you keep the youth from me. I
Stop.
tell you.
Stop. What is done is done. We don't need to go back and forth with this. It is now time for you to step up and be a father.
So, after all this time, and now you want me to be a father, it's never too late for a shower rain still.
You were absent, and I made it known to you that you left me out in the cold. Trevor was there, so he just took up the mantle.
Because him you did want for there.
Nicely. Walk one.
Trevor, what are you doing here?
I said, I don't like how you sound on the phone, so I decided to come check you. What really happened?
So, like how they do the test and it no match. How do you get the blood?
It was an emergency situation, so they just gave him the blood.
Well, Ewa, make me tell you this. Me I go want a test done too.
Are you f***ing kidding me? Are you f***ing kidding me? No. No, Bernard. Are you saying that I've slept with somebody else? Why you take me for? You know all of what I've been through, every single thing from the start to the finish, and you are such... You know what?
Sorry, Patrice. Just calm down. Never really mean that.
You never really mean it. So why did you say it, Bernard? Why the f did you say it?
Calm down. Sorry, Patrice. Sorry.
No, you know what I've been through, you know. This man is taking over my business.
What do you mean take over your business?
He has 60% and I only have 40.
What? So how that happened?
Trevor, there's nothing that we can do. It's already signed.
What do you mean there's nothing we can do about it?
Him come in like a scammer.
You know what? Me go deal with it.
Trevor. Trevor, no. You can't do that.
Why?
He's around here talking to a woman.
Me no business.
Trevor.
Yo, Bizzle!